Hello class! Tonight, we are going to have an icebreaker. This song is one of my most favorite as I have been teaching this for almost 20 years now, especially for our daycare workers and daycare children. So for those of you who have been in my trainings, you will probably remember this song. Now, the title of this song is Akong Kalo Lingin. Now here it goes in a slower version for you to be familiarized with the song. Now you can go along with me as I sing along. Okay? Akong kalo, lingin, lingin akong kalo. Kung di lingin kalo, kalo dili ako. Now, let's do it in a faster version. Here it goes. Akong kalo, lingin, lingin akong kalo. Kung di lingin kalo, kalo dili ako. Okay? Now, even me, kamalibog yun ko. But I'm sure you are now an expert to this song. Now, let's do it in a better and faster manner. Okay? Here it goes. Akong kalo, lingin, lingin akong kalo. Kung di lingin kalo, kalo dili ako. Very good, class. Very good. Good night.